Hi, it's Sarah from MAKROZ, and today we're going to walk through how to import Google Ad campaigns into Microsoft Advertising. Now, there are a few different settings along the way and some things that Microsoft assumes you want to do that you may not want to do. So that's why we'll do this walkthrough today. The first thing that you'll want to do, you'll see that I am in the Zato Microsoft Advertising account, is you're going to want to go to Import and import from Google Ads. Once you go there, it'll give you the option of a quick or custom import. Now, we typically use a custom import. It will also prompt you to sign in to your Google Ads account. I am already signed in here. But once you do that, it will ask you to choose an account. Now, here we have the list of accounts in our manager account. I will select the Zato Google Ads account. These are all of our accounts in Google Ads, and then click the next button. Once that happens, we've loaded the initial import screen. Now, Microsoft is going to want to automate your schedule and import your ads on a regular basis. We typically don't want to do that because we want control over when these ads are going to be changed. So, what I like to do is I like to select once now. This will import the Google Ads campaigns now and not make any changes unless you choose to do so in the future. The next thing we have are some customization options. So we can customize budgets, bids, URL tracking, status. It's important to check through all of these items if there are things that you are wanting to keep different in Google Ads than in Microsoft. We also recommend that you go to the advanced settings section. This will enable you to only choose specific campaigns from your Google Ads account that you want to have within your Microsoft Ads account. So let's say I want to import only this search campaign. From here, I'll click Next. And we have more options that Microsoft wants us to walk through. So we have updates to existing items, which has an advanced options workflow. So you can uncheck some of these if there are certain things that you don't want to come over from Google Ads, targeting, ad extensions, page feeds, status. So all of these things are things that you're going to want to look through before sending those campaigns over, unless you want to keep everything essentially the same. One important item is other options. You want to make sure if you have a paused campaign in Google Ads you're bringing over that you select include paused campaigns, but something to look for there as well. Now, you'd click the next button again, and then within that now import, you would click Start Import, and then it would import the campaign into your Microsoft Ads account. Now, after this happens, we also recommend that you just go through the settings, go through the campaign itself, and also check to see if there had been any errors that occurred when you were importing your campaigns. And usually Microsoft will tell you exactly what needs to be updated or what didn't come through. Sometimes with a Performance Max campaign import, for example, there could be asset groups that are also imported. So you could stumble upon a Performance Max campaign in Microsoft that you imported that's not running. This is why we want to check all of those items after import. So that's just a kind of a quick run through as to how to import your campaigns into Microsoft. Now, if you are interested in running Microsoft ads, contact us here at MAKROZ. We'd be happy to help. Thanks.